Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello! So it is actually beginning to feel like fall. This week has been wonderful because we've had a cold front or a cool front here in Orlando. So it's been like in the 60s and 70s every day, and today's Sunday and it's just amazing. We went to church this morning and it was just a beautiful day. We're driving back and we were like, we have to do something outside. So we had lunch out by the pool at our clubhouse here, and it's just been so nice. But we are getting ready to head to Tampa. We were there last night for our friends Grant and Nick's engagement party. We're going back tonight because we're going to Busch Gardens for HallowScream. It's the last night, so we're gonna get a few more scares in before Halloween on Tuesday. And let me show you this. We've been able to keep our sliding glass door, which is like a triple sliding glass door, so it opens up all the way here, so we can just been getting all this wonderful fresh air, cool air into the apartment, and not even having to run our AC. But anyways, let's head over to Tampa to HallowScream at Busch Gardens. So we've made it to Busch Gardens. We're here. We still got a few hours before it starts. Oh my gosh.
It's gotta be like in the 60s.
Look at this. Ooh. We're gonna go inside and see some of our favorite shows, do some stuff before the event starts. It looks like they're already getting ready for Christmas over here near the cheetah exhibit. Look,
look at the wreath.
That's garland, honey. It's garland.
No.
Oh my God! They do have a wreath up here, and this is where they put a giant Christmas tree. So that might be here tomorrow. And there's more Christmas trees. More Christmas trees over here in, where are we? In front of Cobra's Curse, which is a really good ride, isn't it?
I love it.
It like spins you around while you're going on it. Gotta get some energy for tonight. Look at this. What do you have? The pretzel dog?
Yeah, pretzel dog.
With some freshly baked chips.
Mm-hmm.
And I have the Italian. So inside there's like provolone cheese and ham and salami and red peppers. So looks good. And we're starving.
What's new?
Alright, so we got food in our system. We got our wristbands to get an early entry into HallowScream. We got our maps. These are really cool maps. Look how they're folded up. But you can be in the park, what? They close at 6.
It goes at 6.
And you can stay in the park and roam around.
Until 7:30 when the park becomes HallowScream.
As long as you have a wristband on.
Right.
So the park is done. It's closed, but everything is closed. So we have an hour and a half to kill before the event starts. There's nothing to do.
Except look at the Christmas decorations.
There's a lot of Christmas decorations up. There's so much Christmas decor around here. It's really weird. Look at this. Like a lot of garland. We've been seeing a lot of wreaths. I don't know, Busch Gardens. I mean, I'm all about being proactive. Patrick, grab your bike. Let's go for a ride. Look at this. They give you bikes to ride around the park. How nice. Just a little rusty.
Just a little rusty.
I mean, aren't you too, though? I mean, when's the last time you rode a bike? When was the last time? I'm sure you'd be a little rusty. This is one of the new scare zones for this year over here. It's not open yet, obviously, but just so you guys can see it during the day. Here we go. We're going into the first house, which is the newest house, right?
Demented Dimensions. All new for 2017. I'm ready to work. Get scared.
So we just came out of Demented Dimensions.
Demented Dimensions. Not quite sure what was going on.
Yeah, a lot of different
but
rooms.
It was really good.
A lot of different themes.
Really good scares.
But really good scares, and it was detailed, and it smelled. Good. It really smelled, but on purpose. They do it on purpose.
Oh yeah, on purpose.
But yeah, it was good.
To this scare zone.
Yeah, this new scare zone.
Scared.
Look at this clown. Ooh. And look, Christmas decorations. Here we go. It's a wasteland, I think. Oh, look at that Busch Gardens sign. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh, God. That's cool. She's gonna get surveyed.
Oh! That was good.
Yeah.
Oh! All right, next house is the Black Spot. This is a returning house, right?
Yes. I actually really like this pirate one.
It's Pirates, right?
Let's get on our. Let's get the booty.
Let's get the booty. You already got that booty.
You've been warned! Look for the black spot! If you're lucky enough not to be marked.
That was really good. It's like Pirates of the Caribbean. It was scary, but a lot more intense.
They have like a smell to it as well.
I think all of them are gonna have a smell.
I love it.
They're not really loud. They don't have a lot of music like Halloween Horror Nights, so I think they use a lot of smell. Oh gosh! Oh my This is really good.
This is probably one of the best scare zones I've seen.
Oh my god!
It's a blogger! I know you, blogger! You keep stalking me! Stop stalking me! And the pretty boy.
There's the light. There's the light. There we go. Now we can see you.
Bye, beautiful. Bye, pretty boy.
Well, what do you think?
Well, the Killer Clown's a fan of ours, so he spared us.
He spared us.
Spare our lives.
I would have to say that's probably one of the best
Both
scare
scare
zones.
zones have been really good. And they usually don't really have very good scare zones. So I'm thoroughly impressed.
Yeah.
So like Halloween Horror Nights has a lot of space. It's sometimes too much space, but here it's so narrow. So you have a lot of attention. We've been called daddies tonight and pretty boys.
Daddies and pretty boys. I could deal with that.
Thanks, Busch
I'm
Gardens.
in my 30s.
It's the new one. Ready? Are you excited?
I'm so excited because it's been going great.
Yeah, the night, it's only like, what time is it? Let's see what time it is.
Sandman one, we just got out of there. That was amazing. Like I feel like 10 times better than last year. Really good.
The Motel Hell was
The Motel Hell, yeah. It was really good.
It's only not even 8:30 yet. The event started not even an hour ago, and we've already done.
4 houses. This is gonna be our 4th.
This will be our 4th. Yep. It's kind of cool. They have an actor up here greeting people as they go in. Can I walk through it?
Absolutely not, unless you want to be hung up with
Okay, no, all right.
cut up with the rest, strung up with a hook.
No, don't touch me! No!
I'll tear the flesh from your bones.
So this is Patrick. This is like a scare zone, but they also have like games in here. It's the meat market.
I'm gonna have to say, this is by far the best year here at HallowScream that I have seen. This is phenomenal. Just like the detail and the effort, it's just unbelievable. So good. We have this like a meat market over here.
It's all people.
And it's all dead people. Who's hungry? You getting hungry, Kim?
I'm getting hungry. You're late for class.
Oh. This is so...
It's really cool, isn't it?
Time to get unearthed.
It's time for Unearthed. This is always a really good house. I love this one. So this used to be an actual roller coaster called Gwazi.
And now we're going to go inside Unearthed, and I'm scared.
They were demolishing the ride and they found some really creepy stuff. So now we're gonna go see it for ourselves.
Let's do it. Let's go.
So Unearthed was really good.
Really good.
It's always good.
The throat's trying to hurt. I'm screaming. Good thing.
But it's fun.
Oh! I was not prepared. Look at this. Come on, werewolf. Yeah. Come on, werewolf London.
We are in line now.
I was gonna say Blue Bayou, but that's not it.
That's not it. Hold on, let's look it up. It's Deathwater Bayou. So this one is usually really good. And there's one similar to this one in California, Not Scary Farm.
Go on, get on up out of here, Gavin Patrick! He's coming for you! Go on, get on up out of here! Ain't nobody care about y'all! You guys are dead!
How do you know our names?
I have no idea.
How do they know our names?
I don't know.
Come on now! Caroline, come on! God! Come on down!
Oh.
Dad!
He's gonna catch you. Oh, God. Walk right into that.
Chainsaw noises! Come on, take it!
Alright, well that will do it for our night here at HallowScream at Busch Gardens in Tampa. It is a really good year. We've gone, 3 years now? And this is the best year so far. The scare zones are really great. The Fiend show is funny, and
It was really good.
the houses are really cool. So we thoroughly enjoyed it. It's giving Halloween Horror Nights a run for its money.
Absolutely.
But they didn't really advertise it this year, which is really weird.
No, we saw nothing over in Orlando.
There's no advertising for it in Orlando.
They
but
should have.
Yeah.
It was so good this
It was
year.
really good. They stepped it up this year and can't wait to come back next year. The weather was perfect. It was a little chilly,
Freezing.
but it was great.
Freezing.
This is the last night of the event too, so it really wasn't busy. We got a lot of stuff done pretty quick, even though the lines are now long. But yeah, we're finishing early and we're out of here and back to Orlando.
Back to Orlando.
But-
Have a happy Halloween.
Yeah, happy Halloween, you guys. Have a great Halloween. Stay safe, or we hope you had a safe Halloween. And we love you. Make sure you subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. Follow us on our socials at Gavin and Patrick on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you're looking for theme park inspired apparel, we don't have any HallowScream stuff, but if you're looking for theme park inspired apparel, it's inkandpaintthreads.threadless.com.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
But remember, you guys, you can do.
Oh my God, that scared me.
I thought you were trying to do. Oh, you just got scared. Okay. Remember, you can do the impossible.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.